To make a treble crochet stitches, we're going to start making a slip knot. Hold your yarn accordingly how comfortable you are in your hook, and then make a slip knot. I make a slip knot like this. Once you have that, let's go to make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Just for practice, we have 10 chain, and now we're going to make yarn over once, yarn over twice. This is gonna be our first treble crochet. Let's go in the 4 chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, pull through 2 again. That is our first treble crochet. Again, yarn over once, 2, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's how they call it treble, because you have to go through a loop 3 times. Again, we do it together. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, and then now we're gonna do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. If it's too fast, let's make it slower this time. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull. We do this 3 times. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's it. It's so easy, and we're gonna do that all the time. So now you know how to make a treble crochet stitch. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and over again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull. So 1, 2 and 3. That's why they call it treble, because 3 times. So we're gonna do that last time. 1, 2, go in the next stitch or last stitch, yarn over and pull. So this is how they call this treble. So like this: 1, 2, 3, and that's basically it. If you want to start a new row, let's start by making a stitch of 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to start making a chain of 4, or you can start making a chain of 3. It's up to you if it's too high or too less. So now I'm gonna make a treble. 1, 2, skip the first stitch, go in the next stitch, and pull. Let's do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So they're perfect. Chain 4 is perfect, not too high. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull. 3 times of this. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just repeating it over and over again. 1, 2. Go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat, yarn over once, yarn over twice, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over once, yarn over twice, go in the next stitch, and yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over once, yarn over twice, go on the third chain, 1, 2, 3, that's gonna be my last chain here, this one. On the third chain is my last chain, yarn over once, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I just repeat it over and over again, and you can repeat round 2 by starting a chain of 4, and you will get this. Thank you for watching. Follow for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I made a lot of tutorial for beginners. That's it. Once you've mastered the basic, you can experiment with different patterns and designs that incorporate treble crochet. Happy crocheting!